Okay, so I'm gonna do a really quick, super fast, easy install. I'm replacing the ignition lock cylinder. As again, like with everything in this truck, it's the original one, and better to change it now. You know, even though there's nothing wrong with this one, better to change it before it does go bad, because it likely will. But it is super easy. Here's the new one, and pretty much any time that you buy the whole set, it'll come with a new set of keys as well, and it helps to have the tools that you need. As you can see in this one, there's really just two connections you have to deal with. Let's see if I can get in there to get these suckers off. Let me set the phone on the tripod so I can use both my hands, and I'll be right back. Just so that it's not in the way, you want to remove the hazard switch, as well as your wiper and turn signal switch as well. Now the last two things, or the last thing we gotta do is, hopefully I can get this in frame. There's these two bolts, right? This one right here, and the other side. And it releases the entire mechanism from the steering column. Comes apart like that. You can see that. And putting on the new one is pretty much the same way, but in reverse. But I'm gonna keep all this. I'm not gonna toss it out or anything, because it's still good. And if something should happen with the new one, I can reinstall the old one. You know, in case, you're stranded somewhere, and at least I still have an option to reconnect the old one and use it. Hopefully you can.
You just want to make sure that this is nice and snug, not overly tight, but snug enough that it doesn't loosen over time.
And before we connect all the other stuff, all the other wiper switch and hazard and light switch, let's see. Alright. Start her up one more time from our perspective. That way we can see this key. Gotta break this sucker in a little bit. Yeah, I just wanted to do that little quick, super easy one. As if your ignition lock cylinder ever goes out. You know, these do go out, so although I hear it's very rare that they do that, but they can go out. And it'll make it impossible for your engine to start over or turn over. Everything else could be good. You know, your relays, your fuses, ignition coils, everything could be good. But if either of these fails, sorry, I'm out of frame again. If either of these components fail, you won't be able to turn your engine over. As they do sell the kits, you can either buy this portion. They do come separately. The mechanism where you insert your key, and then this portion of it with the harness, which you can remove by this little screw. Because sometimes the portion with where you insert your key is good, and then the harness part is what goes bad. It can be either or. But yeah, anyway, just wanted to show you guys that little quickie how to, and I'll see you.